The other day I had on my desk 30 recent books written about the Church of Jesus Christ. One word describes them all: horizontal. How to understand your audience, how to impact the people around you, how to influence them, how to win them, how to assimilate them, what they need, what they want, what we think, what they think. Forget it. Here's a word you need to have at the forefront of your thinking. The word is vertical. Somehow we've lost this in the church. The idea that the church is supposed to be about horizontal, man-centered, human persuasion, cultural penetration. Nonsense. Before the purpose of the church was ever soteriological, it was doxological. Ephesians 3:20 says, "To him be glory in the church through Jesus Christ, now and forevermore." Everything we do has to resound with the fame of the name of God's Son. When that happens, everything else falls into place. Evangelism, discipleship, community impact, ministries of compassion, these things are byproducts of a church that is passionately consumed with the glory of God. It's a concept that you need to have at the forefront of your thinking about the work of the Church of Jesus Christ. Vertical.